All right, welcome back to MG. Yeah. All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. We're here with Knockins, boss himself. Blast, what going?
I'm there, bro. How everything's there. We have two mics.
Two mic.
So I need to, you know it.
All right. So first of all, how things? Everything all right?
Can't complain. Top of the league. But I know, so we're not talking about top of the league yet. We have some things to talk about.
Yeah.
Today. Major discussion.
Yeah.
Talk to me. You know most about it. I'm there to learn really and put in my 1 and 2 cents.
All right. First of all, I know you're a football man. First of all, Jamaica 1, Turkey 10. Before even going off the discussion about development and all that, when I hear our state school and how that make you feel?
No man, far behind. Far behind.
Yeah.
You cannot be taking 10 from any team in the competition. Even if it's a number 1 rank under 17 team right now, you cannot take 10.
You're not supposed to take it.
No, you can't.
If you're a coach, what you do?
Well, I would think I go wrong in terms of squad selection maybe, or my overall philosophy may not be fitting to these player profiles. So it's one or the other. So at the end of the day, it's go back to the selection.
You bring up a good point where overall philosophy and 50 players. So the coach that I have right now is a possession-based type of coach in Lenny Hyde. So Clarendon College, who know them play possession-based football. Just what if it's a situation where Lenny Hyde go there and say, all right, you have this crop of players, I'm going to try to play the possession-based style with them players and not really mesh with them because they don't come through that system. As I said, that's a very, very good point where you say. No, as I said, first thing you say we're not supposed to take it. If you're on coach, you reach 10 minutes and 3 under 3. What you say though?
Yeah man, now man, changes have to make first thing first.
Yeah.
You have to make changes, that is one thing. The next thing too, I have to go change my formation. Something about the formation or tactic wrong on the day. I get it totally wrong.
Now go 9-1, you know? Now go 9-1, yeah man? 5 man, 4 man turn up in a goal with the goalkeeper. Boy, and the other 5 out there go and battle it out.
Oh, we even make it go more than 5.
Man!
They gone 6.
6.
2 and that take it up. 2 and you know. No, man.
Nobody never say referee stop it count. You know, the African referee, when he goes to blow up a game before a game done, we didn't need him. Anyways, alright, so we go up on international stage that clearly the evidence there with them levels below certain things. What's your thoughts on that, on how that make you feel if you know so far back behind?
It's a lot of things we have to talk about. And development is one key factor, obviously, because we are talking about under 17 players, right? But when we look on, we can compare what is going on for the other countries and look around. It's so funny because we brought in a head coach from Iceland, you know, and I'm used to that philosophy where we don't have much talent to pick from because, as you know, when we compare ourselves to the other countries, not just in the Caribbean, we don't compare Caribbean because we look globally. We look on it, we have a very, very small nation. Very small nation. But that don't say we don't have the talent here. So if you look at Iceland, look how Iceland did run through and do that Euro. I think that is why we even get that coach in the first place. Because it would have been the similar settings. Right?
Yeah, small
similar
nation,
small group. But him not getting what him want. We know me stray a little, but it's happening at the lower level as well.
Yeah.
Because I got touch back on Manning Cup. And it's similar to what we're doing at the higher end. I'm not getting enough time to implement theme philosophy, theme playing style. I'm not getting enough time to do that. It's same at the youth level now. Yes, Lenny Hyde is a coach from Jamaica and everybody know him from Manning Cup and all of that and all said whatever from the Premier League and all of that. But when you look on these scrapper players, how often do these scrapper players play?
No, they don't play together. So basically we just put them together. Yeah.
You know,
so basically we get a squad and we put them together and we expect the world from them.
It can never work. I can guarantee you that these Turkey players have camps where they go to.
Yes.
Regular camps. Just to come in and look upon them and say, all right, just to make sure them get checked up on them players there, them group of players there, continue to play with one another.
Yeah.
I think that is where we're missing in Jamaica. We don't have a system. Our system from grassroots level is poor. Poor. But I'm not there for the mic, but go on.
No man, you bring up some good points, man. And interesting.
To be honest, I could have gone on and on, because I tell you so we're not going to make a video like Manning Cup. I know this is very, very unpopular opinion. We should scrap Manning Cup.
No, that's not unpopular.
You know, unpopular.
No, it's not unpopular.
I go around and people don't like that, especially the old boys. Them, you know, old boys them don't like.
Yeah, them
that.
don't like it because
they want to see the one bag of pitting them and run up and down.
All right.
I don't want to sound pause, but I want to see that sauce, don't it? Them did want to whisper for go back again, go play Manning Cup.
All that can't tell you.
But we make a move on though, as they say.
But,
what you think
no,
about
but
the
because,
Manning
no,
Cup?
when they bring across the Manning Cup, they bring across good points. Manning Cup and the Casa Cup, because really and truly, these are the same players we bring to the international level to go perform. And the only experience that most of them have is the same Manning Cup and the Casa Cup.
I'd prefer, alright, if we are going to run Manning Cup, play Manning Cup for 9 or 8 months. Don't play for 4 months and then the youth them go sit down and then go start make them run up and down for tracks.
Here are the difficult.
Start the long jump and all of these.
Here are the problem with that now. 8 and 9 months. One big factor in the school.
So them
school
right,
kids.
that is why Manning Cup have to go get scrapped then. Is either we scrap Manning Cup or we implement academies and we have academy competitions where these same children are go to academies and also get in proper school.
Good point. Very good point. But listen to this now.
Alright, go on.
There's only
So
one institution in Jamaica right now who have an academy that is up to the international standard. Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, exactly.
And the reason for that is because they can finance it. The only academy where the players they just go school at the academy, they do everything there. So.
Mount Pleasant is doing
yeah, but here are the problem with Mount Pleasant now.
Here
are the problem with Mount Pleasant now. The youth them can't participate in the schoolboy football because they're not an affiliate of the ISA. So you see there's many different blockages.
I don't mind that still, you know, because if they are that good, they shouldn't be playing in Manning Cup.
All right, so
that is also my point.
This is
that good.
Yeah.
Play Manning Cup. That
so what do you think them for do then?
Them for playing the academies.
But which academy?
That's what we need to start the academy.
All right. So to start and run a proper academy.
Come across. Come and look.
To start and run a proper academy. Money. It's a big factor. Mean a proper academy, similar to what Mount Pleasant is doing, where you send out your pitney and him guard the academy in the morning, school him there, them take their lunch rare. After that, then go so boom, go train. After training, then guard them basically them live there. So they live there 24/7.
That's our academy.
That's an academy. That's one academy set up.
Go on weekends.
Sometimes
Yeah.
because
we don't have no competition to play.
what England do, you find out say the competition they play on Friday. The PL2 play on Friday and them competition they play on Fridays. So sometimes some of the players don't get the opportunity to go on weekends. So but here are the problem, as I say, finances. Resources are one of the biggest problems in Jamaica of where development of football is concerned. So what you'll find out is that you will find the 1 and 2 gems, the Baby Gardner, the Altiman Butler, the Whisper, the Baileys. You'll find these 1 and 2, just 1 and 2 players who were talented enough, got the opportunity, and then just burst like that. Because
them talent can't hide, that is one.
That's a one.
Them
But there's other players, there's other like that as well. Remember now, Bailey did the interview and said that when he was in Schoolboy, there's so much players then when you are called about. I know nothing about him after. We call about way more than him.
That bring back to my point where you should scrap Manning Cup.
But
compared to what him do. And look how, and that was
scrapping Manning Cup is not the problem, you know. That's not the issue, you know, because we can get up tomorrow.
We can have Manning Cup, but
no, as
Manning Cup for players who are not extremely talented like Whisper. He
would know.
You understand me? I say,
no, I understand that.
Academies,
I understand that.
Make them other youth they play Manning Cup.
All right. Look at this now.
Get scholarship.
Let me show you.
That's how me think about the youth them academy who take them do them schoolwork, make them do. Me like how you said, make them have to pass them subject, make them play Manning Cup. Alright, since them youth they can do schoolwork too, get them scholarship, make them go abroad, make them play, make them get the scholarship.
You are going to know.
Them little youth they do.
Let me show you this now.
Them feed to the club then.
I understand that. Yeah, that's a good point. Here are the problem where that is concerned. Here are the problem where that is concerned, and I'm not going to dispute that. That the idea is good. The problem is execution. How we are going to kickstart that? Where the resources are come from? Where the capital are going to come from?